to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops.
Amal, come.
Yo!
Good morning, yo. It's not good morning. It's good morning.
What's happening? Everyone's loving
Your
it.
volume is really less.
What?
My
volume?
volume is less. Is it full?
Is it?
No.
Still?
Now
No?
say something on that level.
Oh, hello.
It's better.
Mike.
Hi, how are you?
Good morning. I mean, good afternoon to both the girls. What's happening?
Do we look like we've just woken up? We've showered and gotten ready just for this live, guys. So let's make this one really cool. I mean, we do that every morning, but we're still in quarantine, so
You're
it's
always like sweet Teletubbies, so stop crying.
Teletubbies. Okay, I like it. I will take it. We're deciding colors now. So a lot of people are here. We already chatted with them, just chilling and chatting.
Yeah, I think
with so many
everybody
people.
was waiting for you to join us.
Amal
And
Bhaiyu is in the house.
Hello.
It's audible.
It's audible. Okay, great.
Hi, everyone.
Guys, tell us, what did you think of the Levitating remix? आपने जाके सुना? कहाँ पे सुना? Most importantly. And tell us. I mean, there's no YouTube at the moment, so we can't read your comments. So we can use this live to know your comments.
I think they've even gone and found out a YouTube link and they've started
There is
uploading.
a YouTube link, yes. But you can't comment on it, is what we realized. Sorry, my alarm.
I'm seeing everyone
Right.
changed their display picture to our artwork. You know, that's so sweet. Everyone's display pictures.
Yeah, I love it. Some people.
Me. Hi, Priyank.
A lot of people are saying Spotify. Yes, Spotify link
Yes.
is in our bios, and that's where you should go and stream it as much as possible. Holi is coming up. I know we're all not celebrating the way we do, but if you guys are having a sweet party at home, stream it right from Spotify, because we will do that.
Sad.
Download
Like,
Spotify
Personal
only
only
listen to
listen.
this. Thank
Yes.
you, Supratik Pari. Please stream it on Spotify. Heart it on Spotify.
people are saying both are so cute. Yes. Look at them.
I didn't
Sure.
read this comment. Geo pe bhi suna. Okay, fab. Okay, guys, ask us some fun questions. We will also answer. Oh, Jazz here. I have got congratulatory messages from across the world. MDs talking about Amal, Sukriti, and Prakriti. Thank you so much, and it's really, truly an honor, our honor, to be a part of something so amazing. Thank you for making this happen, Jay. Really, this is as big as it gets, and it's Dua Lipa. And every day actually is a day of just realizing that this song has happened, and it's always going to be on Spotify forever. And I think it's our first live from the Warner Music India page.
Yes.
So, yeah, very excited.
And it's really special to, you know, see the way she put a story so sweetly.
Yeah.
It's so
I was
good.
this close. I called up Amal, and I didn't sleep the whole night. I don't know why, but I think obviously quarantine.
It's like you
chal
knew
raha
it's
hai.
gonna happen.
I just knew it, and then literally the second she mentioned us in the story, I was up and I have sat alone in my room and almost cried and sent Amal a video. I'm like, Amal, is this happening? I'm crying.
I was like,
She cried and she sent me the same video.
I
And
was
then I
like,
was like, Amal, I'm making this my
crying.
wallpaper now.
I was like, why is Suku crying? Like, what's happening? But, you know, I need to tell everyone that for both of them, like, the love they have for Dua Lipa is incredible, you know. So, like, I love her as an artist, respect her, but there's some other level of connect that they both have with her. So, this is obviously very special. What's up,
Yeah, I
Rush?
remember dragging everybody to the Dua Lipa concert when she
But
came.
we didn't
here.
have to drag anyone. I think everybody came, but we were like excited puppies.
Yeah.
Like,
I think I have her entire show on my phone. And I knew her show, like I knew what song she's going to sing because I've seen so much of it on YouTube. But yeah, it's very surreal that she tagged us on her story, because
Like a
I
year
went on
later.
that chat and it was just Prakriti Kakkar mentioned Dua Lipa on a story for like years. And there was
Till 6 o'clock in the morning, she was waiting. Like she had this intuition कि ये होने वाला अभी मैं देख के ही सोऊंगी.
So weird, right? Yeah. And then उसके बाद भी नींद नहीं आई. So I was like, okay, now I'm going to stay up all night. And then and I had no one to share it with because everyone was sleeping. So I could only like feel it in the morning.
We're making India and Malians proud. Thank you, thank you. Everyone wants us to just say hi. No one wants to ask anything. कुछ पूछना नहीं, यही टाइम है. फिर ऐसे लाइव वाइव हर दिन नहीं आ.
Puku, you're going up. We'll go down. Hi, sir. Had lunch. Did you have lunch, Amal? एक तो please clear my confusion. Do we call you Amal or do we call you Amal or do we call you bro?
Oh God.
Anything's good.
Suku baby nails. Yeah, guys. I've been home. I've not got my nails done. Fine. Yes, I love them.
Wow, that's really a lot of observing, guys. Love it. Love it.
Yeah, me and Amal are very similar.
Huh. How's your health, Amal? We're getting some questions
that?
for all our health. I don't know. There are a lot of health related questions here for sure.
Good question.
Josh says, Poku, Malik, what's up? What's up, Josh?
Nibiha says love from Turkey. Hi, Nibiha. Love back to Turkey and to you. Please save this live. Yes, we've been giving clear instructions that we have to do that. And by us, I mean me and Puku because we came live from Warner Music. So we will definitely save it as an IGTV.
This is too funny. This Ali Zen 2005 sings, so finally you have worn topi. And I think you have done conditioner to your hair as well. Good, I noticed it. Have you?
Who is this for you or for me?
This
like,
for you. I'm wearing a topi.
टोपी अंदर से भी दिख रहे बाल. You guys are making us all.
Please tell us.
With her
Hi,
extension.
Kanika. What's
These are my
up?
nails.
So,
Oh God, you girls.
Tell us, when did you get to know this?
Hi, Kanika. How are you? First of all,
When did we get to know this? So Amal kind of kept it as a secret from us for a little bit because I mean he said something and then I didn't believe it. I just didn't believe it. I mean I just thought that he's just saying something that we have to maybe work on something because he knows like we love Dua so much and then suddenly we realized that he was serious and this is actually happening and then it's finally happened. I mean, it's got its own share of ups and downs, and then we've been working on this for a couple of months now, and then we weren't
and I think
sure
we were
what's
working on like
happening.
multiple projects, and this was one of them. So I think we were excited for all of them, but I don't think we knew this will release this soon.
Actually, we started working on this, and then we started working on something else, and then we started working on that like a lot more, and then this just finally started happening as soon as 2021 began. So it was amazing.
I love the fact that it's been 1 year for our album's release and now it's come on the same week.
Yeah.
It's all planned. Cosmic
all
conspiracies.
Future nostalgia. Hi
Harsh.
from Africa. Hi Nihal. Hi,
Wow.
how are you?
Kakkad _ say, Amal, are you planning to cut your hair and beard? No, only before my next video, not now. Not right now.
When is your next video? Please
I'm
tell
liking-
us also.
सबको मेरे दाढ़ी और बाल से क्या प्रॉब्लम है? सब बोल रहे टोपी निकालो. ये लो, देखो कितने बाल है. This is what they wanted me to do.
Wow, you actually did it. And
इसलिए
now everybody happy?
इसलिए टोपी पहना.
Wow.
So no wonder you're wearing it. What happened?
I have to wear it, otherwise how will I look like presentable on this live?
Do you have
Why are
any
you
plans
wearing
to
cap?
visit Indonesia? Yeah, please, somebody call us to Bali. We are also waiting.
Oh, I wait to go there because I can see like, so many people from there, Sukku, they like listen to our music. Like I've seen people like send me so many requests ki we hear your songs, even both of your
You
single.
remember we've gone for 2 weddings, I think, in Bali. Remember Arman was also there. We've actually gone. It's been so much fun. Miss those days now.
Harsh.
Bali.
Writing us live. We need to take revenge. He's writing weirdo and all to us.
Who's this?
Hashim, he's just messing with us.
I'm sure he
Hashim
didn't
is
say
there.
that to me. I'm sure he didn't say that to me.
Sukku.
Jyoti auntie not shouting for your hair.
Arey, where is he? Show now.
Okay.
Your hair.
This is very slow. Let me handle this. Whose idea was it to make the remix of Levitating? Amal, go ahead, answer that for us.
It's Dua Lipa's idea first.
For
and
sure.
I'm glad she like got
People are flipping.
me and Poku on this. It's crazy. Hi, Shishir.
Hi, Akshay Menon.
Yo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I hope you like the song.
What's up, Akshay?
It's so much fun when friends also join the live.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's such a talented musician. Guys, he's the guy who produced Sab Tera with me. And Sab Tera just completed 5 years today. So, yeah.
Today? Wow. Really?
Yeah. They speak some days aage piche, but around today only.
I think for me and Prakriti, the first time we ever sang live with a band was with Akshay Menon, because he used to play keys for us, and for the longest time.
I comment to it said ऊपर लिखा है
हाँ?
ऊपर के विंडो में कॉपी पेस्ट हुआ है. How sweet.
Oh God. Yeah, that's because our hair for the first time is the same, and for the last
Started
two
looking similar.
started looking similar. We will do something about it.
It's my birthday. Please wish me Safia Rafi 27. Happy birthday.
Okay, I'm really very...
Who is your idol, sir? Who is your idol?
Huh?
Nivedita is asking.
Asking me?
Yeah.
I mean, she's
Sir.
asking. Acha, sir. Haan, sorry.
I really look up to Hans Zimmer and Rahman, A.R. Rahman, both of them a lot. And obviously even Pritam, but Hans Zimmer, A.R. Rahman, Pritam.
Wow.
Please, गाना गा.
Hello. है दोनों. हाँ, twins ही हैं. अच्छा, we have to still clear that out.
Subra, please come to Mauritius soon. It's actually one of our favorite places. We spent, we've come for 2 Diwali shows there.
Levitating
Yeah, and one of
is
them was
on.
a public show, so really miss doing all of that. Public shows where people can actually be together without social distancing.
Take our names, man. Hi, Nisha Ojha. How are you?
Arman कहाँ है? Arman कहाँ है? I've not met him in so long.
अरमान से तो मैं 2 महीने से नहीं मिला हूँ. तो यानी अभी पता नहीं
Because
कहाँ
you
है.
were quarantining, now you can meet him. Because you're
Yeah.
young.
I'm fine. I don't think they are.
Levitating is on loop. Thank you so much. That makes us so happy. Wow.
You want
A lot of
to eat
birthday
this?
wishes happening here.
Why are my friends joining and messing with me on this
But
live?
I see. Okay.
Please sing Koi Jana. No, wait. This is Dua Lipa live. Koi Jana.
We should definitely sing Levitating a little
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah,
let's
we'll
just
quickly
sing
sing
the
it,
Molest
and
Kevin.
then we will take a few questions, and
I am levitating now. That's cute.
Everyone's asking me why I'm looking so close to the screen. It's because मैंने चश्मा नहीं पहना है, लेंस पहना है, तो बहुत पास आके कमेंट्स पढ़ने पड़ रहे हैं. I can't see it.
Hi, Yashasvi. Twin telepathy. Yes. Background पे लगा देना. Okay. Yes, please sing. Okay, so we're going to be singing a couple of lines from the Levitating remix. I'm going to be singing more lines than I've sung in the song, which is another version that we sang before this. So because we're singing live, I'll sing that.
can we sing the longer version?
Yeah. Hanish is the guy who's mixed the song, and he's done a fabulous job.
Yes,
Big
thank
thumbs.
you, Hanish.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Anish,
for making us sound so good.
क्या नाम है यहाँ पे? Poetic Shukla.
मुझे भी मजा आ रहा है.
मुझे
Yeah,
तो
it's the first time I'm sitting so close to my
Yeah,
phone
I
and I'm
love it.
reading all the comments. Sukhs teri hu is teri hum.
Yeah. See, I love how everyone knows who's who in the song.
Yeah, I think this is my favorite part about, actually having like a team of, I don't like calling you guys fans so much. It's just, it's more like a support system.
And like family, for sure.
Yeah, and family. And I think I love it when you guys know who's who without even telling you.
But I'll actually tell you guys a little bit of a trivia. Ye Gana, I know it's just 4-5 lines, but we have actually sung the same thing. And
Amal's idea.
this is Amal's idea. And I know you can't tell, but every single word in those few lines is literally like one word me, one word Sukriti,
Yeah.
one word me, one word Sukriti. So it's blended in such a way that I don't think you can tell the difference between our voices, but at the same time, it's the best of both those
takes and yeah, I think true fans and followers should know because I don't know
क्या
how
है?
Amal's managed that.
Like one.
Yeah, even we couldn't tell our voice. Like after hearing it, we couldn't tell it. Okay, let's just sing it. Yeah, Amal,
Yeah.
join us, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay,
yeah,
ready.
today's Kala hasn't happened.
Hasn't happened.
yet. Okay.
चल चले ऐसी जगह ना पाए कोई जहाँ show me what you feel inside. होना है जो हो जाए वो कह दे मुझे दिल में जो करना है मुझे say hi. नजर चुराए ना पास आए क्यों दूर से शर्माए. मुझे भी ये लगता है मुझे कोई चाहिए तो baby it's a perfect time. You want me, I want you baby, my sugar boo, I'm levitating, don't make you wait, we're ready, get it, yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight, diddy, hold me tight, come on dance with me, I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight, you can fly away with me tonight, I'm levitating.
It is such a fun song.
I
Like
know,
I
I
can't
believe
believe
it.
I have so much fun singing it all the time.
Yeah.
I have even more fun singing it with the beats actually, which we can't hear right
But
now.
even before this remix, ये गाना वो गाना है जो अगर मैं और प्रकृति घर पे chill कर रहे हैं यहाँ you know if you're getting ready makeup कर रहे हैं or whatever we are doing or if you're not doing anything we'll just actually put it loud in the
It's
speakers and then
perfect
just jam and have fun.
Any mood, levitating plays perfect. Hey, wait, I see on the home page of Spotify, it shows levitating. Sukku, going, don't bite your nails.
Why is everyone complaining?
She's not
What
biting
is
her
this?
nails,
Am I
yeah.
I'm not biting. They just guys,
Everyone-
give me one day. I will get out tomorrow, go to a nail spa, get my nails
There's
done. It's not that-
Abdullah Hashim that I just read. He's
like khatam, bye bye, tata, goodbye.
okay, bye. What? Yeah.
Go have lunch. It's lunchtime. Where is
People are,
Dua Lipa? Should we
What
ask her
about-
to come on live?
what about the
We should ask her.
question? Warner. Now, where are these questions? I don't know.
Amal, sing na something. Sing 2 lines. You should just sing. Arinda. Whatever you want, no pressure.
Oh, alag label.
He said Fiku is so mean.
Idhar.
Oh, I love it. Levitating का music video कब आएगा? Guys, this has been actually obviously not possible because of the given situation also, but
But we will give you a
we
music
are-
video. For
we are
sure.
giving you
can
something
Be
soon.
rest assured.
चलो मैं
Yeah.
question ले लेता हूँ तुम लोग के लिए आ रहे हैं. What is the one thing which you both are missing the most in quarantine? Obviously popcorn के अलावा बोलना.
Me popcorn को I met now. I met him. I've been chilling with him.
I
for
think
the
our
past
quarantines over to kal we had like a reunion, but one thing we miss is I think just eating outside. Yeah, I mean honestly not so much because ghar pe we get such good food, but you know just that whole vibe of going out of your house and eating. Miss that little bit.
अच्छा, दो-
I just miss going and like being in a physical studio around people. I have really missed like properly
Yeah.
working. Like I've been working from home, but working from home is not fun. I
Like
don't
currently
enjoy it.
we're writing a song and it
Yeah.
is a very very frustrating experience to kind of write a song on Zoom
Yeah.
or on a con call because I think that whole songwriting experience is all about talking and sharing experiences and uske bare mein likhna that happens when you meet people and be physically present and you exchange you know energies that's not happening on a phone call, so that's frustrating.
So we're waiting to work. We're waiting to get out tomorrow and go to a studio and work.
But we managed to make some really nice parts for our next track. I remember I was like just
Yes.
before the New Year, I was somewhere in Himachal and on the phone
Yeah.
call and Konal, and we came up with the antra of our next song, and which is like I just want to tell everyone whoever's here, you guys don't know what's coming. Like these
Yeah.
songs, it's so
That
cool.
one's really special.
And like everyone's asking next collab kab hai? Bahut jaldi hai. And
I
this
know
is
because we didn't work together for like.
Long.
Sorry.
I'm back. But you know, after doing some amazing and fun movie tracks together, we're finally working on some independent music, which is so exciting. And we don't know what, you know, we would make together with Amal, like 3 of us together. But like, obviously, because I don't think we've 3 of us ever been on a track together. This will always be the first one.
We've been always busy, like either y'all have been with film songs, I've been stuck with my films. Now we're actually doing music we want to do, which is the best feeling.
Yeah, the next one is completely Amal Malik zone. It is a complete heartbreak, beautiful. Listen, like actually, yeah. You guys like stop teasing. Okay, I think we should stop teasing. I think we should just wait for the song to come out and then.
No teasing.
I mean, it's a no-brainer. I think everyone's just gonna love it because it still makes us feel. Okay. Coming back to the levitating remix. Are you guys levitating with us or not?
Oh, they are.
Samriddhi is saying, I don't know why people get so confused between Suku and Puku. They both are really different and can be identified clearly. Who is this? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope we meet you, Suku, because you really know the difference. And we love people who know the difference.
Just 1 brownie points from both the sisters. Amazing.
Yeah. If you ever come up to us and know our name, you have a heart. Yeah. But if you don't know our name, then we will not correct you. We will just say, okay. Krish is here. Hi. Wait for it. Yo, Krishy.
Cherish is saying bachcho. Badi mummy.
Comments have I can't I read half of them? Do we have some comments in the comments boarding? Question? You know, anything we are missing?
We have people from Bangladesh, from Pakistan, from Indonesia. Wow, man, this feels so good.
Hi, Prisha. Prisha's here. How are you?
Comments are just going. I can't even see them. Krish is here. Good morning, Trivedi. I'm surprised you're up.
Listen, it's 2 o'clock. Almost.
जिसके माउथ के पास
Prakriti
है. हाँ, बिल्कुल सही पकड़े हो.
Left one is Prakriti. See, I am on the left. I'm on the right.
The left and different girls. You're like confusing everyone now.
Acha, this is Sukriti. And this is Sukriti too. Hey! My God.
Everyone's like, I'm levitating. Oh, cool.
Guys, thank you for the love. Like, let's make this song really, really big. I think this is us trying to represent India in a lot of other ways. And we need all your support. We need everybody to like just show us some love and go and stream the song and share it wide. So help us with that. And I genuinely hope you guys love the song also.
Want to play it or what?
Yeah, we played one last time and then we wrap. Yeah.
Let's see where this.
Guys, I have to stop talking about my nails now. This is not fun.
You both are showing off nails on this live.
Yeah, we can sing. I'm missing singing. Amal's gonna sing something. We'll sing something, and yeah, we'll quickly do this.
I want to first play the song. How do I?
I can recognize Cuckoo from her nails. Nails? God,
oh God, that is stalker.
Really, my nails. When are you guys collaborating with Arman? Like we keep planning, so maybe on goals. I think we're gonna definitely do something. So we have to do that. All right. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that. हाँ एक और बार. Okay, this is fun.
किसी ने लिखा ये सुक्कू है, ये पुक्कू है, ये अमल है, and they're levitating with us.
Levitating party हो रही है और हम levitate कर रहे हैं.
How everyone, all our friends are here. Sam is here, Hashim's here. Thank you guys.
Hi.
So sweet.
I can't see your comments for some reason. Why are you getting comments and I can't see any of them?
I think there is some lag happening. Thoda. Like some comments are coming very late and some are just flying away. Levitating.
Okay, guys, tell us something. would you all be interested in like a full-fledged dance cover from me and Prakriti on Levitating? Because I am totally interested. Because we could totally do that. Like,
Because
really wanna dance
we
on
don't want
this.
to like party dance.
Okay.
I think you should do that. Should. Everyone's gonna love it. I think all the covers of your own
I
songs
think I might start.
done. I've got so much love.
I think the drop really needs a hook step. Like that's what I think.
Yeah.
That
You
this
feel
drop
like
deserves a hook step. Yeah, Amal, you also should be a part of this and dance with us.
me dancing. I'll try. I'll
Yeah.
try. If you're,
Yeah, we have to do
Please.
it. Once we had to do it once in our life.
This is the song.
I
for this.
have to tell everyone this. I tried to be like very. Like, I remember Pukku and Sukku both were with me on stage somewhere, and मैंने सिर्फ पता नहीं क्यों मैंने ऐसा कुछ कर दिया है स्टेज पे, और उन लोग ने 3 हफ्तों तक they only keep doing this. Like we remember that because whatever you're doing on stage,
I think
like
this
they
was cool or something.
you-
Like, this is Amal's favorite step. Okay, it goes like this.
No,
Like,
no,
yeah.
no. It goes like this.
Yeah.
It's like
Like,
it's like that.
सब दूर हटो, सब दूर हटो मुझसे.
But I think it's very cute, yeah. But yeah, I think. Acha, now I'll read comments because I asked a question. We want Amal to dance to, yes.
Yes.
See, he always says I have 10 left feet. I don't think so. I think he's got rhythm in his bones, you know. We
कोई
have to do
अमल
a
भैया
dance
से
something.
फोटो शूट करवाओ. फोटो
क्या
शूट
क्या?
डांस एक लिस्ट लिख लो क्या क्या पेंडिंग है, सब
Okay,
कर
done.
लूंगा.
I'm a list person. I'll make it. I don't know.
I-
She promises more than she can do.
I want me to sing, but I can maybe sing only my single. Like बाकी गाने मैं नहीं गा सकता. I can sing maybe just that. You'll need
Yeah,
me to
before we end this, you should definitely
Amal,
sing
you
something.
need to sing something,
Yeah.
and then
We'll rap, but you need to sing something because we sang now.
Oh my god, your sense of humor is under. Thank you. थोड़ा डांस बनता है. हाँ ठीक है, कर लूंगा. Okay. One sec. क्या गाऊं मैं? तू मेरा नहीं गाऊं?
Yeah, and everyone's asking when your next single is coming, so please get everybody excited now.
The minute you see me upload a picture with all this dadi, beard gone, little Sharif, human being looking, that day you'll know that I've
Doing
like my
clean
single.
shave now for your
please
next.
don't.
Never. No chance. Each shave will look like Arman minus 5 years of age.
Eh?
मेरे को तो मेरा कीबोर्ड नहीं चल रहा है बच्चों.
ऐसे ही
कितने
गा लो.
बन गए हैं. ओ खुदा नहीं गा सकता, सॉरी. गाता हूँ. तू मेरा नहीं. अगर ये पियानो चल गया ना अभी, बाय एनी चांस चल गया. लेट्स गो.
चल गया.
What?
Woo. Did I just read Foodie Kakkar? Yeah, there's like a fan page called Foodie. Very cool name.
I love it.
I love it. Foodie Kakkar.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Love the name.
Let's go have some food together. Sounds like a full food blog page, huh?
Love it.
Suku, you like guys? Suku, you like guys with beard or clean shave? Definitely not,
Not
clean
clean
shave.
This hour is a little difficult to sing at this scale.
Everyone wants Parinda. We'll do another live session where we can sing whatever else we want. But right now we're on Warner Music India and Amal is going to be singing before we wrap the session.
दूर जाने पे तेरे पास आता था मैं, रूठ जाने पे तेरे सर झुकाता था मैं, बिन तेरे जिंदगी का मैं क्या करूं, इस तरह मान लूं तू मेरा मैं तेरा नहीं.
Yay!
So good.
I think the mood for the day has been set. And with that, we're going to take your leave, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. had so much fun. I think today was really interesting. You guys asked us a lot of fun questions.
And thank you for tuning in. Also, a big shout out to Warner India for
Making this happen.
and making this live happen.
Big thank you
Um,
to Ruche. Amazing. It's a great.
Thank you
Thank you
guys
so much, and keep giving Levitating Remakes all your love. Keep streaming it on your favorite.
किसी ने लिखा है चलो ये
Yes.
अब तुक्कू पुक्कू मेरा नहीं.
Aww. Yeah. So Kubuku need to live with us later. Yes. So we're gonna wind this up and then
and
probably
we probably
go,
come live from our pages,
Yeah.
but
because
Yeah.
we are home and we don't have.
but only we'll come live if you make the live as interesting as this, because this is fun. Otherwise, but we should come live maybe today, later, or tomorrow sometime.
Yeah,
But
let's
thank
do
you
it.
so much for tuning in.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
See you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Always so
Bye.
much fun. Love you all.
Take care and please take precautions, guys. Be safe.
And stream levitating. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
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 बोलना पड़ता है. अगर आपने नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब तो go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video goes live.